You already know, or at least I hope you know, because you've been following our videos, that if you're an unwed father living in the state of Georgia and you had a child out of wedlock, that you should be filing a legitimation action. And if you've already done that, fantastic. But if you haven't and you're wondering, well, what other than parenting time can I get out of a legitimation? Make sure you continue watching. I'm Danae Matthews of the Dunn Matthews Law Firm, and we help people recreate their definition of family. And one of the things that I think some fathers don't think about when entering into a legitimation action or even thinking about one, because really parenting time is one of those things that are almost always at the top of your minds, is what other things can I get? And so, one thing in particular that I want to discuss today is your child's name and your child's birth certificate. Oftentimes, when we have an unwed father, maybe you weren't at the hospital when it was time to fill out the birth certificate papers. Maybe the mother of your child said that she wanted your child to have her last name. Whatever the reason is, or whatever why it happened, you still have the opportunity to have your child's last name be yours. You still have the opportunity to get your name listed on your child's birth certificate as the father. And the way to do that, the more appropriate way, encompassed with your parenting time, is through your legitimation action. Now, obviously, there are lots of things that the court will take into consideration, especially when we're talking about the child's last name. The age of your child. Are they school aged already and they've been walking around with Larry Jones for the last 10 years of school? Or are they 5 years old and maybe they're just going to enter? And so they don't even know how to write their name. And it's best to go ahead and make that transition now. But it's important to make sure that you get in front of a court to get your voice heard and to make sure that your lineage is there and that your children still have a tie to you, even if it's as simple as a last name. And of course, you always want to have your name listed as their father on the birth certificate. That's almost always a given. So again, if you have not yet done that, or maybe you're in the process of your legitimation and you kind of feel like you're wading in the waters and you don't really know what to do, what you can do, what you can't do, give us a call at 770-686-3092 so that we can help you get through that process. Give us a call at 770-686-3092 or reach out to us on the web, dunnmatthewsfirm.com.